towel. Wipe your hands. Wipe them good. Egg on there. You don't want egg on your hand. Okay. Put it in there. Good girl.
Okay.
Now we need vanilla. Vanilla. Okay, we need a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, let's see which one it is. We have to put one of these in. Hold it. Put it in here. Put it in here. Okay, dump it. Okay, good girl. Okay. Yeah, okay. We're done with that. Now Grandma's got to get a spoon. Grandma, get a spoon. I'm going to take this one out. Now we got to mix. You want to stir it? Stir it up. Stir it hard. We got to stir it hard. Stir it hard. Sure, Grandma got everything. Okay. Stir hard. You gotta get all that butter. Get all that butter in there. All that sugar. And you gotta stir it up. Good. Stir it hard. Real hard. There we go. Stir hard. You gotta mix all that butter. See all the butter? All the sugar and the eggs. You gotta mix it all good. Keep mixing. Keep mixing.
Get yours next.
Okay. Yeah, keep mixing. See? It's getting lighter. Keep mixing. Hard. So you gotta get all that butter mixed in there. Then we'll put baking powder and salt and flour and chocolate chips. And we'll put our chocolate, see, you put our chocolate chips in there. Do you like chocolate chips? Huh? Yeah? Do you help Mommy make chocolate chip cookies? Yeah? Does Mommy make chocolate chip cookies? Yeah? Do you help Mommy?
Big help. She makes everything.
Okay, we're getting good. Now we're going to add flour. See? Yes, we are making cookies. Gotta get all that mixed so we don't have lumps in our cookies. I guess Grandma could have used the mixer. Okay, now we're going to add, we got to add flour. Flour. So we're going to put, how many cups of flour? 2, we need 2 of these. So you'll have to dump 2. Okay, dump this in there. Hey, Papa, look, I'm making cookies.